This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making seafood salad with glass noodles. Here are the ingredients that you will need. Seafood. I have here fish and prawns, but you can use any combination of seafood you like. You can use fish, squid, clams, prawns, scallops, whatever you like. You will also need vermicelli, onion, tomatoes, lime, spring onions, Chinese celery, and chili. Let's start with the vermicelli noodles. These are the dried vermicelli noodles, also known as glass noodles. Soak them in some warm water for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the other ingredients. Cut the onions thinly. You want to cut the onions thinly as you want to eat them raw. Cutting them thinly will also give you that crunch without that strong oniony flavor. Unless the strong oniony flavor is what you want. Cut up some tomatoes. I'm using cherry tomatoes here, but you can use any type of tomatoes you like. Cut the spring onions and Chinese celery into about 1 to 2 inch pieces. Next, cut up some chilies. Use as much or as little chilies as you prefer, or you can just leave them out altogether. After 15 minutes or so, the vermicelli would have softened. Blanch the vermicelli noodles in hot water for about 1 to 2 minutes till they are translucent. Then remove them. In the same pot of water, blanch the seafood till they are cooked. This would probably take about 3 to 5 minutes. Do not overcook your seafood, or it would be robbery. When they're done, remove. Now for the dressing. Finely grate or chop 1 clove of garlic. Grate the skin of a lime. This is optional, but I find it greatly enhances the citrusy notes of the dressing. Then cut the lime up into 3 to 4 pieces and then squeeze them into the dressing. Add fish sauce and palm sugar. You can add regular sugar here instead. But I find that palm sugar does not give you that sharpness that regular sugar does. Next, Put in some black pepper. I forgot to include the black pepper here. Mix everything together till all the palm sugar is dissolved. Now to put the salad together. In the mixing bowl, with the dressing in it, add in your onions, tomatoes, spring onions, and Chinese celery. Give all this a good mix. Next, add in your noodles. Then, add in your seafood. Give all this a gentle mix. Be careful not to break up the fish. This dish needs to be served immediately, so don't make this in advance. This is seafood salad with glass noodles.